Forget everything you thought about making money online. I just turned $0 into over $1,000 cash in my pocket in one day, using free AI tools that anyone can access. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, right now. We're going to break down 3 insane AI-powered methods that you can start using today. If you've ever dreamed of a side hustle that actually pays, or even a new way to generate serious income, then you need to watch this entire video. Get ready to have your mind expanded because the age of AI is here. And it's not just about robots taking over, it's about you taking control of your financial future. Let's go! Alright, first up, we're diving into the world of AI microservices. Think Fiverr, think Upwork, but supercharged with artificial intelligence? This is where things get crazy efficient. I created a bunch of these micro gigs in literally minutes, not hours, using AI. For example, I needed a killer title for a Fiverr gig. Something that would grab attention and scream, "Click me!" Instead of agonizing over it, I just popped some keywords into ChatGPT. Within seconds, bam, it spat out a list of high-converting titles. For the visuals, I turned to Canva's Magic Media. This tool is insane. You type in what you want and it generates unique images or even short video clips for your social media posts or gig thumbnails. No design skills needed, no expensive software, just pure AI magic making me look like a pro. For another gig offering video script writing and basic video creation, I used Pictory. I fed it a simple idea and it helped generate a script, found relevant stock footage, and even added AI-generated voiceovers. The AI handled probably 90% of the work. The payments started rolling in, little chunks at first, $20 here for some AI-generated TikTok hooks, $15 there for a quick AI-drafted email sequence, $30 for a set of social media posts created with Canva's AI. These aren't life-changing amounts individually, but they add up fast, especially when the AI is doing almost all the heavy lifting. You're essentially arbitraging your time and the AI's efficiency. Think about the sheer volume you can handle. While someone else is spending an hour on one client's request, you could potentially service 5 or even 10 clients with AI assistance. This first method alone started piling up the cash quicker than I expected. Next up, let's talk about AI content flipping. This one is seriously mind-blowing because you can do it with literally $0 in upfront costs, and without ever showing your face or using a microphone if you don't want to. Imagine taking existing information that's already out there, transforming it with AI, and then selling it for a profit. Here's the play-by-play. I started by finding a trending finance article. The key is to find something current and relevant. Once I had my article, I didn't spend hours trying to rewrite it myself. I took the core information and fed it straight into ChatGPT. Within minutes, I had a fresh, concise summary of a complex topic, all thanks to AI. But a text summary is one thing. Video is king, right? So the next step was to bring this content to life. I used a tool called 11 Labs to generate a super realistic AI voiceover for the summarized text. Then, with my AI-generated script and AI voiceover in hand, I took it all over to Pictory again. I uploaded the audio and the script, and Pictory automatically found relevant stock video clips, added text overlays, and synced everything together to create a full-blown video in minutes. I took this brand new AI-generated video and licensed it to a small online newsletter that covers finance topics. They were thrilled to get fresh video content without having to create it themselves, and I pocketed a cool $150 for it. Some people are absolutely crushing it by doing this daily. The demand for video content is insatiable, and AI just made it incredibly easy to become a supplier. The profit potential, it's absolutely massive. Alright, for this third method, we're venturing into slightly more advanced territory: AI signals and analysis. Now this is where things get really futuristic and, I gotta be honest, incredibly cool. But, and this is a huge but, you need to be super careful here. I experimented with an AI sentiment analysis tool. These are sophisticated AI programs designed to scan vast amounts of online data, news articles, social media posts, forum discussions, financial reports, literally millions of data points. The goal? To gauge the overall sentiment or feeling around a particular stock, cryptocurrency, or market trend. The idea is that this sentiment can sometimes be a leading indicator of market movement. If there's a sudden surge of positive news and social media chatter about a company, the AI might flag it as a potential upward trend. Conversely, widespread negative sentiment could signal a downturn. It's like having 1,000 researchers reading everything, all at once, and giving you a summary of the collective mood. But dreams can quickly turn into nightmares if you're not careful, especially when real money is involved. This is not financial advice. The financial markets are incredibly complex and volatile. AI tools, no matter how advanced they seem, are not crystal balls. Relying solely on AI for investment decisions is incredibly risky. Use these AI sentiment tools to learn. But please, do not use them as a direct signal to buy or sell without doing your own thorough due diligence and consulting with a qualified financial advisor. So, what happened? Over $1,000 landed in 24 hours. $1,000. And it wasn't magic. It was strategy. AI gave me the tools, the unfair advantage, and I just plugged in and executed. No tech skills were truly needed for most of this. No paid ads, no spending money to make money, just smart hustle combined with these incredible, mostly free AI tools. Which method will you try first? The micro gigs, the content flipping, or maybe just exploring the analysis tools safely? The AI revolution is here, and it's creating opportunities that simply didn't exist a year or two ago. If you're sitting on the sidelines, you're missing out. The future is now, and it's powered by AI. You have the blueprint, you've seen the potential, the only question left is, are you ready to make your move?